The elevator is the function is almost the same like the commercial elevator, and it's quite user friendly. And the safety, yes, it's quite safe. It's just like normal when you enter to the shopping lift. Yeah, the safety is there lah. It's because of the elderly people, so we choose the elite elevator. Actually, looks simple and nice. At first, masa handover ada sikit. Lepas tu, dia adjust, so better. The design of the lift and also the size will be quite wheelchair friendly, so better compare with other home lift. Okay, compare with the market, the price is reasonable, and the exterior interior is better than the rest. And tapi dia tak macam it's only actually dia punya design sudah ada, tapi just yalah custom make yang you boleh pilih lantai, dia punya wall, dia punya control panel, itu saja.